Well. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back Monday, March 16th. We got 2 full weeks of trade for this month. 2 full weeks. So let's base hit it each and every day so we can get some payouts. I don't know about y'all, but your boy wants some payouts. So let's see what we get. I woke up late today. I got upstairs. I'm like, everything's already ready. It'll be quick. I log into my OBS, and then all of a sudden, it's like, oh, it needs a restart. Your boy got nervous. Not gonna lie, your boy got nervous this morning. But we're live. We're back. We're gonna try making some money. So hopefully you guys had a solid weekend. Let me pull up these charts real quick. Let me mark mine up with the overnight lows, overnight highs, everything like that. That's the one thing I do every morning. When I jump on, I mark the overnight lows, highs, and everything in between. Just so that way I have a reference point of where we were so we could possibly see where we're going to go.
Hey, D, is it going to roll over on its own?
If you're on Ninja Trader, it'll ask you if you want to roll over. I normally hold off just a little bit. I don't roll over right away until I see like less volume on the current contracts that we're on.
I see how you put that all together.
But that's just me. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. But anyone can roll over whenever they want. I just hold off for like the first week until I see like more volume leaving, and then I'll be okay, let me just roll over now.
Yeah, I'd rather be on pace with you and the LWS. I ain't trying to roll over until y'all.
Wait, damn. Oh, it's telling me to roll over too.
Well, you don't have to roll over, you can skip it.
Okay, yeah, it says auto roll over, but
yeah.
Okay.
Like I normally roll over when I see the futures on TradingView roll over, to be real. So I'll just monitor the price just to make sure we're at the same correct price. And then once I see it change, I'll be okay, let me roll over now. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Lucas. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, gentlemen. All right, I'm ready. Your boy's ready to trade. Good morning, Scucks. All righty. Well, we had a huge gap down for the open. Yes. I won't say a huge gap down. We actually pushed. Let's see. We closed on Friday 24,335.25. 24,335.25. We came down slightly, but we pumped for the overnight. So let's see what we get. Not sure if any news came out or anything like that. We have no news today. We got news on the 18th. Let me pull that up real quick. All right, yeah, we got news on the 18th, the Fed funds target rate. So we'll see how that one goes. I probably won't be trading that. All right, so just so you guys know, the 21 EMA is sitting right around 663 area. We got the VWAP down at 52950, 52950. Pivot point 49150, 49150 to the low side. Let's see where it pivots above us. Okay, we got a pivot 24,962.75, 962.75. So we got some area that we could go to. We're just gonna have to see what we get. Good morning for everyone that's just tuning in. Good morning, Steve. We're waiting, anticipating. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I beat you to it this morning, Steve. I beat you to it, bro.
You did, brother.
You're gonna have to repeat your highs and lows.
My highs and lows?
He's preaching it to the choir. Let's hear it, baby. All
right, so the high is sitting at 68875, 68875. Cool. That's the overnight high. And the overnight low was all the way down there at 29525, 29525.
Okay, all right.
So we got a big old area.
Yeah. We might get more than 40 tick opening range today. Who knows?
Possibly. I'm just here to base hit it. Trying to get 3 payouts this week. Base hitting. So yeah, pumped last night, bro. Good morning, Smooth. Let me check our audio just to make sure we're sounding decent. Yeah, we're sounding pretty good.
Hey, we never sound good. We sound fucking great. We are legacy.
Yep. The market makers are sounding crystal clear as well. So we'll take it. We'll take it.
What was happening that one day when they said we were sounding all scrunchy? I am Iron
Man. Honestly, no, but I had to restart my OBS this morning, so that may have been it. Oh, what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive.
Yeah, I was working on my other brokerage account. This is my conventional trading stuff, so everything's looking good.
Okay, nice. I'm ready to click the button. I've been thinking about this all weekend. I don't know about y'all, but I was thinking about trading all freaking weekend. I'm just ready to click the button. Ready to wait for the moves.
I clicked the button last night and made something, so it's like it takes the edge off. Kind of like the
Same here.
See, it's like the appetizer, you know what I mean? Like I can wait till the main course.
Yeah, I don't know if I traded the overnight session, if that would like scratch my itch.
It probably will, Duane.
I don't know, because it goes so slow. I'll be like, come on.
Well, yeah, but you don't watch it. I
mean, yeah.
I set it where I want it to go, and then I let the ATM strategy do the best.
Okay.
What sucks for me is when I trade in for the overnight, when it comes to these morning streams, I have less accounts I can possibly go through because I already went through all of them.
No, to be honest, I'm kind of liking it because, yeah, it's not that it's volatile, but not as volatile as how we like it on the New York session. But it still makes the moves that it's supposed to. So,
yeah.
So like yesterday, I was like, whoa, wow, just like that.
30 seconds.
Just like
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
I was like, all right, I could probably trade it, a little bit, I could do the night session a little bit. Take a trade here and there if I see something I like.
I gotta make sure. I like yesterday though. I gotta make sure that Duane's hand is not a prosthetic; it's his real hand. He's not using his real hand on the mouse.
There's my hands, folks. Both are on my glasses right now. Market's open. Market is open.
He's got the VR glasses. He's hitting order filled.
No, don't worry about my blinking. I'm not doing anything with the computer. Good morning, yes. Good morning, Rhonda.
Why are you making that face? No, just kidding. Like, squeeze your eyes.
Morning, Mooser.
That rundown. I'm just kidding. Don't do it.
We're below the pivot.
614 is gonna hit. How's everyone doing? How was your weekend?
Weekend was solid, bro. How about yourself?
It was alright. I stayed in.
Mr. like night owl coming in at like 5 o'clock and then blaming the time change. Like, still would have got home at 4. Jive turkey.
but it wouldn't have been 5. You see?
It would have been 5.
Like it's an 8-hour time change. Like I would have been in bed by 9, but all of a sudden it was 5 in the morning. I didn't know what happened.
Perspective.
Looks like we're getting ready to take out the overnight high.
Yeah.
Look at that wick on that candle. Ooh wee.
Hey, you the 2-minute and the 5-minute.
Where am I? Where's my screens?
I'm ready to trade. But I gotta wait.
That first candle looks like it's gonna be a chopping day.
It's showing bullish activity. If we don't push and we just settle like right in the middle of this candle, then yeah, we're going to probably be chopping.
Hey, somebody go on the Trader Rate website and tell me what it looks like, because mine looks like it's like they're having an issue with it. It looks like blue, like I don't know, all sorts of colors.
Well, mine was normal. I mean, I rebooted it this morning prior to the. I traded last night, and it was the same. Are you sure you didn't take acid last night?
No.
Not the acid, Jesus.
I thought it was a Tylenol.
I thought it was a Tylenol, Jesus.
Like I see a dragon in my screen. Okay, just go listen to some Pink Floyd and talk to us in 8 hours.
Right on, Jive Turkey. Right on.
Hey, so Duane, it was like I had all the extra kindling that I prepared, and obviously I'm not going to be burning anymore. So we were camping. We had this huge like campfire just to burn up all the kindling. And
okay, nice.
It looked like a sacrifice, but
it looked like a sacrifice.
Because I have next year's stuff that I've already cut, and it's in the woods. So I didn't want to put this back into it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put it back, so it was like, okay, let's clear it out.
Well, we did take out the overnight high already. So, let's see what we get. Come up to that 700 level.
Watch the whole number. Good.
I don't know. I'm ready for bed right now. This is bad. I don't know if it's because it's so gloomy out right now or what, but I'm like, man.
It's definitely gloomy out. And we are going to have like 2 days that's sort of cool. Like they were saying, I was reading.
Okay.
Like nothing crazy, but like the overnights are going to get into the 40s maybe, so who knows what the days are going to do.
Well, hopefully it brightens up today. What's up, Ule? Good evening, sir. Are we getting ready to build a bull flag here?
My favorite is when you're like, are we getting ready to build a bull flag? It just needs to wait 11 minutes.
Yeah, I'm not taking any trades before 9:45. I want to, but your boy's shooting for 3 payouts this week. So
it's like this. It's like Duane would like to see a flag. However, he wants the flag to wait for 10 minutes and 32 seconds.
Yeah, 10 more minutes for me to be able to trade.
Like, just hold on to all that momentum and just like put it like a spring that's gonna like blow at 10 minutes and 30.
But I feel like we're going to keep pushing here. Just waiting to see that momentum. That momentum.
Oh, that retracement. We got a 2-minute retracement right there.
Well, we were trying to build a bull flag right here.
Oh.
The candle did not end up staying red, but we're still trying to push, so. Oh.
Sorry. Thought I was talking to myself.
Let's see if we build some structure on this flag. As long as it takes like 9 more minutes, we're good. You know what I'm saying?
He wants it built like like the city downtown when they're putting a new flagpole up, like, put the mortar in and then the cement and then put the pole, let it set overnight.
Pretty much. Pretty much. All right, that's a good flaggy flag. Build that structure. Come on, Betsy. Keep building structure.
Consolidation on the wrinkles looks crazy.
Well, makes you not want to jump in, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I know.
I'll actually move these up. Right there. God dang, it's gloomy out. I open my blinds just to look outside. It's like, God, it's one of those days. Oh, all right. But opening the blinds did just make me feel a little bit better. Like
you look like Nosferatu when they shone light into the crypt. Like,
it woke me up a little bit.
Well, like, honestly, like when it does its last dip before like full blown spring, this is when I'm gonna do my full like AC service. Like, it's already clean, but I'm just gonna like purge all the drain lines and stuff like that because it's about to get real on the AC time.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to vacuum mine, make sure there's nothing in the pipe and all that.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna get in there and make sure that everything is just
like a little drop. We're doing this little drop right now, or a retest.
If we stay above that 21 EMA, which is sitting right around 67325 on the 2-minute chart, I would still be waiting, expecting this to be a bull play. If we get below it, then I would not be looking for a bull play at that moment.
I got an ES chart pulled up just on the side looking, and it's interesting.
It's interesting.
No, because it's like ES chart is kind of staying more buoyant than the NQ right now.
Okay. Well, we got a no news Monday. So we already know how no news Mondays normally like to operate. So I'm just waiting to get clear to trade 5 more freaking minutes Feels like an eternity right now. We're below that 21 EMA, so I'm no longer looking for a bull flag.
I saw a guy at Home Depot where I used to work, and I was telling him, he's like, "What are you doing now?" And I was telling him about it, and he's like, he couldn't really grasp it, but I said I was going to reach out to him because, you know, it's like, I told him it's like too good not to know.
Yeah.
So I talked to him a little bit about legacy, but I'd catch up with him like when he's like not at Home Depot. So
Yeah. Yeah, trading is the best thing anyone could ever do for themselves. Because you get to do it from literally anywhere. You click a button, you get paid. Like,
I told him, I said, no huddles, no trainings, no, like, you know, corporate meetings, no, you know what I mean? I'm kind of going down the list, like, things he could understand. And I said,
yeah.
you know, no supervisors, no clients. He's like, whoa. So,
oh.
No, I mean, it's like a hard concept for people. You know what I mean? When I talk to them sometimes.
I want to take this right here. I'm not going to lie. Your boy wants to take this setup, but I'm not clear to trade you. I got 4 more minutes.
You want to head to the moon.
Well, just how we just did that bounce a little bit right there. I'm like, makes me kind of want to be bullish still. Well, that previous candle has that big selling wig. So, on the 5 minute.
Yeah, absolutely.
Come on, Betsy. We're still above the 21, so above the 21, I'll be somewhat bullish, but we do have some selling pressure, so not trying to get my face ripped off either.
No ripping off your face.
Yeah, not today. Not on Monday. Maybe on like a Thursday, but not on Monday.
Friday, here at Legacy Wealth, get your face ripped clean off. No, that's no good. I think there's a better thing we could do. You know what I mean?
It's the 21 EMA. So some people use like the 9 EMA. I use the 21. Still looking like a gorgeous bull flag on the 2 minute.
The 5 minute's looking pretty good too. It's just that those wicks need to be settled.
I gotta go. My girl's not here and my kid's screaming. I'll be right back.
Hello?
Hello.
All right, folks, I'm back.
Okay, welcome back.
Nothing like a brother torturing his little brother. Oh, we're still in the same area. All right, didn't miss anything.
Yeah, but you got just 1 minute before you can like unleash.
I'm excited. We'll take it. Good morning, Dre.
It's what you call a sibling initiation.
I just wasn't ready for it. Because if you would have heard it, because the house is quiet. They're home from spring break, but my girl took our daughter to a doctor's appointment. And I'm like, why is he screaming that way?
Okay.
Because it wasn't like a normal scream.
Yeah, I haven't heard you make that noise before.
Well, there goes that bull flag. Man.
You're going to give us that high in just a second.
I am cleared to trade in 3 seconds. All right, there we go. I'm fully clear to trade. Let's get it done. So that was a beautiful structured bull flag right there. The high for the range, 72450, 72450. The low of the range is sitting at 623, 623. Let's see if we get another flag. Hey, let's go, Rob. Good job, bro. Looking for A plus setup right now.
That's a lot of pluses.
So we broke out of the 15-minute range there. My first target is sitting up at 77475 will be my first target. But I want us to retest the high of this 15-minute range before we push.
Yeah, you just don't want to creep and crawl.
Yep. Come on, Betsy. That went down the wrong pipe. Alrighty. Another day in paradise, bro. Another day in paradise. All right, there we go. Back in the 15-minute range there. I'll be looking for another flag play, but we got to get some momentum. We're right around the 50% of this poll, so if we go further, it'll make me a little more hesitant for a bull flag. So I need the bulls to step in here to save this price. I did not like how those wrinkles just did that. Be careful, folks. Be careful. No music? You can't hear the music.
It's all over here. We can hear it.
No, there's music going. Let me see what you guys are listening to. On the horizontal, there's music. Yeah, there's music on both. Yeah, you had to turn it on, my bro. There's music. Hey, let's get it, time. Let's get it, bro. Coming down to this 21 EMA. I'm still flat for the day. Haven't taken a trade yet. What's up, Niner? Morning. We're in like this weird area right now where I feel like the Bulls want to still push, but I'm not sure if they got enough to push it.
That last run up, yeah, last flag, it like touched that EMA, and then that was kind of the fuel to push it. So
Yeah, that it was. I want to say above that 21 for a bull play. It is, but we need some more momentum. I don't like slow creeps. Let's see how we react off this 21 that we just tapped. We're through the 21. Well, we were for a moment. We got the middle of that range right there as well.
my 21 is like at 82. It's a little derpy compared to yours, but at least it's on the same street, the same subdivision.
Middle of the range, 67350, 67350. And you know not to diddle in the middle. Ugh. Let me just sit on back and relax till something happens for us. Yeah, bud. No, we're not using the iPads right now. Okay? All right. Looking like a slight bear flag on the 2 minute. Bio wants to get below that 21 EMA for safety. Come on, Betsy, give us something. We got 6 minutes. Well, coming up on actually only 5 minutes left till 10. 5 minutes till 10. No Russian, Smooth. No Russian, bro. Who's Betsy? The market. Betsy's the price. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. That's funny. All right, there's through the 21 EMA. Closed that one. Took a stab at it. Did not get what I wanted there. So I'm going to have to rotate off this account, which is slightly annoying. I thought we were going to hit that middle of the 15-minute range. So that was my target. I did not get it. First stab of the day. No bueno. No bueno. So we just popped out of the 15-minute range there. We're still right below the high of the 15-minute range. You okay today? I think I'm okay. Is something wrong? Did you ever add a stop loss? No, I did not, Smooth.
Hey, 2-minute morning.
Thank you, Steve. We got 2 minutes for 10. 2 minutes for 10 here. We made new highs again. So let's see what we get. Let's just see what we get here. Oh my God. I feel that one. I felt that one move.
For sure. That was funny. It was muted.
Come on, Betsy. Now we're just sitting here waiting for 10 o'clock. Less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds now. Hey, baby. All right, I'm back. Yeah, we're chopping. We are chopping. Just making sure you was good. I'm always good, Dre. It's 10 o'clock. It's after 10 now. Let's see if we get something. Literally just going sideways right now, so.
Look, Alex, come.
Alexa, don't come.
Alexa, come.
Come on, Betsy. What you gonna do, girl? We got that massive buying wig on that 5-minute candle there. That's one that you don't want to just short into. I'll tell you that.
Sometimes I feel like spring break is a parent's punishment.
I feel that.
So now you have to figure out what to do with them.
I let my girl handle all that.
I did that for a lot of years, man.
I'm like 18.
Well,
Are you
yeah,
in a buy?
man.
I am in a buy.
Nice. Good. I see a buy. I see going up.
And of course, my music went in right when I'm in this trade.
But that's how they know it's real. It's proof that Duane is not a robot.
I am not a robot. Not yet, at least.
Are you in the green yet? Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this. It's moving mad slow.
Yeah, it's kind of stuck. But I think it is gonna go by, but it's kind of stuck right now.
Mm,
15 seconds on the candle, 2 minute.
yeah, I'm gonna get ready to close this.
What are you? You're at 2 contracts?
Yeah. Let's see if we get this bounce here. If not, I'm closing. Come on, Betsy. I closed it. I didn't like that movement right there. I'm not sitting in it while I got to rotate the music as well.
When you from where you were at to where it dropped.
Yeah.
With 2 contracts, what are you down? Like 700?
640 right there. 640.
Okay. The reason I ask because I know with 2 contracts, everything's like a lot more.
Yeah.
Do I want to do 2 contracts? Maybe not.
I could have closed in the green. I thought we were going to push a little bit more.
Yeah, I thought it was going to go up. I thought it was going to go up too.
Yeah, but No, tell me
Maybe this is
after.
the retracement to the 4 hour.
I'll come back to this account because I did not hit my $1,000 mark that I have, so I'll be able to go back to that one in a minute.
I think it'll go
What's
up
up, BP?
later on.
Yep, just a chop. I should have closed freaking green. I could have, but I was. Oh, it's gonna go even higher. Let me wait. Should have closed when I saw the green. Not liking this 5-minute candle right now.
Oh man, look at this, Duane. Oh, you're back in. Good. I believe it's gonna shoot up because the 15-minute candle just touched my 90 EMA at 677. Well, came close to 683, but like really close to it.
We're sitting right above this high of the 15-minute range here.
Shoot up. You up 1,000 already?
No, I wish.
Oh, I thought that's what it said on the screen. But the numbers are very small, so I saw a 1.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears.
How's the day? The bills away.
I closed that. I feel like we're getting ready to try possibly building a bull flag if it pushes like it just did.
Wait, you were in a sell?
I was in a buy. I was in a buy moves. I would not be in a sell right there whatsoever.
Oh, thank God. I see it coming up.
Yeah, it just went up without me. Slightly, how do I say it? Aggravating. You're good. As long as you're making money smooth, that's all that matters, bro. I'm just not liking this price action right now. Because right now I just feel like we're chopping. And right now, since we are chopping, I'm just gonna switch over to an eval because I ain't trying to put fundeds at risk and chop. But eval, more than willing. Only hit for 400. Good job, bro. Oh, we'll definitely catch a good trade. We'll definitely catch a good trade. We already hit the overnight high already, so the market's just doing what the market wants to do right now. I had my first target from the 15-minute range here, 77525, that we're creeping towards. Dre, search Thomas. That's why you couldn't find him. Search Thomas. March 13th high. I don't have that pulled up right now, but it's a no news Monday, so anything's possible. Let's see if we build a flag here. Possibly. I would like some type of momentum because we have not been getting any. Right back down to the 15-minute range. All I'm gonna say, folks, be careful. No news Monday. We're chopping.
Dropping and dropping.
We are chopping.
Hey. Back away. Get back away. Get away. Hey, back away. Oh. Sorry, people.
Yeah, walk away, Travis. Don't overtrade, bro. Right now the market's choppy. So when the markets are choppy, it's not good sailing conditions. Yep. Smart man, smart man. Tomorrow we should chop as well, possibly. Because we have no news tomorrow. We have news the next day after. So Wednesday. Trading this eval. Let me come over here. ATM 2. Edit. I'm not trading. I'm not trading funded accounts with this chop. So switch over some evals I'm gonna mess around with. I'm gonna work on this ATM strategy at this point because the chop is real. Was that too tight? I felt like it was. Let's edit that. We'll do 30.
I think I just start getting ready to work out. This anxiety.
The chop is real, boys. The chop is real today. Because I would expect we're going to come up, touch my yellow line here, and come back down possibly. The high so far for the day is 767.5, 767.5. All right, just made a new high. First target hit on this ATM. That's cool. I'll take that. I don't know how I like having the extra stuff print on the screen, though. I don't know how I feel about that. Look at the 5-minute candles. Real tight right there. You're in a long? All right, Ule. Hopefully it works out, bro. That's looking like a little possible bull flag on the 5-minute, but with those selling wicks, it doesn't make me have the warm and fuzzies.
Hey, make sure you clean the sink. Make sure you clean the sink after you brush your teeth. Don't leave no toothpaste on it.
Okay, I promise. Give me forever.
Yo, the whole time I keep forgetting that. Yo, I usually mute. Yo, the whole day I've been messing up. You know how you kids, man, you walk in and all of a sudden you're like, yo, I don't leave this. They're like, I didn't do that. You're the only one in here.
That's the best.
Yeah.
The best is like when you tell them to brush their teeth and then they recreate a scene from the Titanic. Like you walk in the bathroom and it's like, why is there 5 gallons of water on the floor?
Absolutely.
I don't know.
I don't know. No, and then when you reprimand them, and then you ask them, so what would you do? And they give you the right answer. Oh my god, that irks me. Like if you know the right answer, why do you do this wrong?
Well, you know, I was a single father, so like there'd be like, that's not my towel. So I gave everybody a color-coded towel. So
Nice.
your towel was
Yep.
in the middle of the floor. Everybody had a color-coded cups, like different. So it was like, oh, my sister put out there. Well, then you better pick it up because it's showing yours. I'd like stop a lot of it.
Yeah. We did that too. We got them all their own towels and everything. So don't say you don't have a towel. You have your own specific towels.
Yeah, and if it's like wash day and like all your towels are jammed on the side all wet, you did it. And if you didn't, you better like, you know, follow up on it.
What would that be? So right now I have this ATM set for a $300 stop loss, which isn't too crazy. Way tighter than what I normally do. So I make 300, I lose 300, I make 300, I lose 300 with it. This is even. I'm working on the ATM strategy. Look at those selling wicks on the 5 minute. So I did not get tagged in there. Oh, now I'm in. Alrighty. You can only message if you're not on the free plans in the community. You can't be on the free plans and message. You can post on the community discussion and the motivational page, but you can't send direct messages on the free side. But you can ask questions in the community discussion, all that stuff for free. If you're currently trading this chop, do not. Unless you're just messing around like me right now, just figuring out what I want to do for my ATM strategy, which I'm looking at implementing. I'm gonna get my calculator out. That's wrong. Man, the captain sending me messages. Hey Dwayne, can you go full screen? It should be in full screen for you. Shannon, if you can't, if it's the vertical, switch over to the horizontal stream. I have 2 streams going on. Hey, go get your workout done, bro. Have a good day. Yeah, this is a slow Monday. This feels like an overnight session. This feels like an overnight session. And this is an eval, by the way, folks. I'm not actually down $1,000 right now in a funded account. This is an eval, which I'm messing around tweaking my ATM strategy. Daddy's not here. Well, it sounds like you're going to tell me regardless, so yeah. What is it, kiddo? I can see you right there. Stay right there. What's going on? No, you did not. Downstairs. We're not talking about Roblox right now. I'm streaming. Okay, we'll deal with it later. I'm streaming, boys. Like, we should not even be talking right now. I definitely see where, with the ATM strategy, it'd be solid, but I'm like, do I put 4 contracts on then? If I'm running an ATM strategy, or 3 contracts? Nice time. Good job, bro. Save as template. We will do... All right, that template has been saved. But now I feel like, Now let me do another one. My bad, folks. I'm just trying to get this dialed in since we're just chopping here. Let's see if we maybe build a little bear flag here. Let's see if we get some more movement. Come on, Betsy. Go through my yellow line with momentum. We're down here in the middle of this 15-minute range. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range now as well. I can see where running an ATM strategy will definitely have me want to take more trades. Let's see the magic lost in the woods. Right now, I'm just messing with this eval. I was getting some ATM strategies dialed in since the market's been chopping for most of the session. Not trying to risk funded accounts at this point. So I'm just tweaking some of my ATM strategies here. We got that pivot below us. We gotta have the push up for the bear flag. So let's see if we actually get one. 5 minutes looking like it wants to do a bear flag as well. Yeah, she hella chop it 100%, fam. Do not risk it for the biscuit. I'll tell you that. Do not risk it for the biscuit. No reason to risk it when it's just chopping. We came down to the middle of this 15-minute range. We don't diddle in the middle, and here we are. Sitting here at the overnight high as well right now, so.
And we're coming down.
We're coming down? I want to see this 2 minute actually show the bear flag.
There was a 2 minute retrace right here at 10:34. If it closes below 687, I believe we should come down.
Okay. We got that buying wick though on this current candle, so makes me think we may try bouncing a little bit. Not sure. Diddle, yeah, bro. Don't diddle in the middle of the 15-minute range. If we're going in the middle of the 15-minute range, you don't want to take trades there. Because what I've realized is if I'm taking trades in the middle of the 15-minute range, I normally get chopped up. So we don't diddle in the middle, no diddy, you know what I'm saying? Like, go to my yellow line with momentum. That's what I'm waiting for. Sitting right here at the middle.
655.
Want to get below the middle of the 15-minute range right now. Come on, Betsy, touch my yellow line. Let's see if we get some follow through here. We'll take that. So just cleaned up this eval account, 200 green.
Nice.
On that move right there.
The one that you had you weren't red on?
Yeah, the one I just trailed right there. I wish there was a way on Ninja Trader. Maybe you guys could help me. I did not want to close my TP out. But I know if I close it, that would take my stop loss out too. So just trying to figure how I want to go about this. All right, Smooth. Have a good one, bro. But I will say there was less pressure knowing that I had the hard stop in there. I will say that. Where I didn't feel like I had to be like super trigger happy and click the button and close. Because I knew I had the line in the sand set where I could move it, but it's easier for me to trail, if anything. No, Smooth, I know that I already have an ATM set up that way. I do have an ATM set up that way. But I don't want to take it off. So, like, I would need to do, like, 4 contracts, potentially, to do it the way I want to. You know what I'm saying? Back below this pivot here, we have not tested the low of this 15-minute range yet. I got a tight stop loss. I got it set for 300. Messing with these evals. Not sure if it's... I kind of like it because it puts me out quick. Back below the pivot. Hanging on to this pivot right now. Hey, go ahead, Tom. Glad you're up, bro. Let's go to my yellow line with momentum so I can jump back in. Popped it right back up just to put it right back down. That's crazy. Dang, just got tagged again. Maybe I had to make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Tim. That's why I'm just clicking right now. Because the Nasdaq, it moves quick, and with 2 contracts going, it's not a lot of wiggle room for how it likes to flow. Put a stop loss on, bro. Do 1 contract. So I could take four trades, give or take. What's up, Bull? Hey, go ahead, bro. Good job, Tim. I'm doing good, bro. I'm messing around with this ATM strategy and an eval. This is an eval. I'm just clicking and see where I want to have my stops, take profits set, because I normally don't trade with an ATM strategy, but lately I've been feeling like I kind of want to. So I'm just clicking around, figuring out how I want to have mine set. Hey, Tim, you know yourself, right? So if you feel like minis make you go on till a little bit faster, yeah, stay away from them, bro. Yeah, I feel like with ATM strategies, for this one, I have a $300 stop loss, 100 take profit for 2 contracts. I'm just messing around with it, trying to see if I need to make it bigger, less. I love trading the minis. I do like the feel having the ATM strategy, not gonna lie. I just gotta see how tight I want my stop losses. Or at least run the ATM on chop days at least. Run the ATM strategy on chop days so that way I'm not risking as much. So I could be in a little bit more. Just thinking. For you guys, what do you guys normally have your stop losses, everything like that on? Because I'm probably going to up my TP to like maybe 1500. Just so that way it gives me enough room so I don't have to manually move it. Okay, BP stops are always changing. Okay. $50 ticks or 50 points. Okay. 100, 200 risks, and then the amount. Okay. Yeah, for me, I just feel like these with the ATM, I'll be clicking more. And your boy likes doing only 1 or 2 trades per account. Is it weird because I feel like there's no risk with the ATM strategy because your stop loss is your stop loss? Oh, yeah. Oh, 100%. It's a no news Monday. A no news Monday. Trading the evals, just messing around with the ATM strategy since your boy never uses an ATM strategy. So with how the market's moving, not trading fundeds. Nice, BP. Okay. Have a good night, Skunks. Market's chopping, that's for sure. I did not get tagged in. Still hanging out around this pivot point. No, something just broke downstairs. I like the fact that I'm able to just hit my stop loss and move it up quick. I do like that part. We're getting closer and closer to the middle of this range as well.
Dwayne,
Yes, sir.
on the Ninja Trader, right?
Yeah.
Next to instrument where it says TIF. I see on yours it says GTC.
Yeah.
Mine just says day. Does that matter?
I don't think so. It's the same price.
Okay.
GTC is good until canceled.
Thank you, Jose. I had no clue. Jose come in for the win right there.
Yeah, nah, because I was looking at him, I was like, okay, I see he's on GTC, but I'm on day. I mean, no difference. Just checking. So.
Hey, let's go, Tom. You got it, bro. Base hit it, bro. So we did tap that 21 EMA. We did tap that 21 EMA there. We got less than 5 minutes now for 11. Crazy. This session today has just been an absolute chop.
So far for this choppy day, I've been doing good. I got about 1,500 up and about 590 in my funded.
Nice, bro. Good job, man.
Yeah, looking for a payout on Friday, hopefully.
Ooh, talking dirty, sir. Hey, you'll get it, bro. Just keep base hitting. You'll get that payout. No, just heard one
Base
more.
hitting is what I gotta put through. Like I gotta keep saying that base hitting, because that works, man. That works for sure.
And it takes the pressure off too, because you're no longer thinking like, oh, I need to make 1,000. You honestly don't care how much you make, as long as you make a decent base hit, you're happy. You're like, all right, cool, let's rotate.
Yeah, once I see it go over 80, I just close out, and if it goes up more, I close out with more, and I'm happy with just 80.
Yep. I would recommend, if you're trading like the 150, not 150K accounts, the 50K accounts, let your base hit normally be like $150 or a little bit over $150, depending upon how much how many contracts you're running, just so that way you're hitting the daily minimum for the day to count with Tradeify and Lucid.
I got 25,000 accounts, and it's still 150 a day for the day to count, and so like it only allows 1,000 drawdown, or if you do hit 1,000, you breach your account. So to me, it's like discipline and more training, because I'm not trying to lose that.
Yeah,
it works.
Here comes 11 coming up here. Hey, let's go. Time won one of the evals over the weekend. He's up 1055 in the account he won. Listen, the accounts you guys get from me, they become lucky. You know what I'm saying? Not lucky, they're blessed. You know what I'm saying? They're blessed.
We're gonna shoot up.
From your lips to God's ears, Moose.
The 1 hour. Sorry. The 1
I'm
hour is
trailing
about to
this.
close. The 1 hour is about to close, and it just bounced off the VWAP and the 90 MA.
Okay, I had the VWAP way lower. Oh, but you said on the 1 hour. You said on the 1 hour though.
14.
Let's see if we get a flag right here.
The wake of the 1 hour at 6:14 touched the VWAP.
Well, if we want to keep pushing, I'm here for it. Probably got a couple more minutes on stream today. I'm going to use this ATM strategy here to get this account green if possible. We tapped my yellow line. I thought we were going to have more follow through, so I jumped in on it. Mind you, do not follow me right now. I'm literally just clicking buttons here, seeing how I feel with the strategy, this ATM strategy here. Tap that 21 EMA right there. Let's see if we bounce off of it here. Going right to the middle of this 15-minute range. New strategy to get no, yes, it's not a new strategy. I'm working on an ATM strategy with the take profits and stop loss. I'm not changing my actual strategy that I'm doing. Just working on the ATM. Just working on the ATM. Appreciate your concern for me. That's awesome. Not changing my actual strategy that I'm using a trade. Just working on the custom. And why is this one not? What happened? There we go. You know, I had people in the chat were concerned from a new strategy to get your account green. That doesn't sound right, man. Psychology, brother. With a better risk management, it varies. Like I'm not big on the ATM having an ATM, but I want something to help me limit my losses, because if sometimes for me, I sometimes don't click the button and close when I'm in drawdown. Where having a legit hard stop makes sense. Time. So your ATM strategy, that's literally just your stop loss and take profit. So that's what I've been working on it since the market's just chopping. I've just been working on my ATM of the stop loss and take profit, seeing which ones I feel comfortable with, everything like that. It was when you said get the account in a green. Oh, I could easily get the account green. But I'm trying to see how I feel with the ATM. Because normally your boy's just in the market naked. You know what I'm saying? No stop loss, no take profit. Nah, you can't. I know, bro. Trust me. Once you see them, they're ingrained into your mind forever. There's a pivot touch right there. I wish though. Oh, maybe I can. Okay. Let me see. So I'm trying to see. Okay, so we can. Your boy's learning real time with y'all right now. So we are able. Perfect. Yeah, now I'm set. Now your boy's set. I'm gonna need to get a hotkey though. Yeah, it does it automatically time. So it'll put in every single time. But now what I just realized, because mind you, I don't normally use the strategy, everything like that. Now I could come in here and put in like a tag. So if I want to target like below the pivot, I could put like a sell limit down there if I wanted to. So I'm kind of excited about this now. Because I could do a buy down here as well. But yeah, I'm going to have to do a hotkey for it.
So you found us, you actually like straighten the strategy?
Huh?
Like it? You straighten the strategy to how you like it?
Yes and no. So one thing that I was always talking about Tradeovate, you could put your entries in where you want. You know what I'm saying? Like, even if it's nowhere close to the price currently. Where you could do the same on Ninja Trader. But if you're using a mouse, you gotta right click and you got the buy limit, sell, stop, everything like that. So how? So it does work. It does work. I'll probably mess around with this maybe a little bit more tonight on the Traders Hangout, just to see if I like it or not, how I have it set. But it's promising. It's looking promising. Quick little scalp right there. BP, yes. You can switch over to a sim account on NinjaTrader. That's why I've been putting that disclaimer like, look, I'm working on the ATM. Don't copy me right now during this session. You know what I'm saying? So I can move it. Okay. Well, just got tagged in there. If you're just tuning in, I'm working on my ATM strategy right now. Do not copy these trades. Hey, go ahead, Warrior. Good job, bro. Right now, just so you guys know, I'm working on an ATM strategy. I'm not actually trading. This is on an eval. I'm tweaking my ATM. I'm tweaking my ATM currently. It's another day in the market, Soul. So another day, another dollar. Market's been extremely choppy today, so didn't make what I wanted to make. But we get to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. So hopefully tomorrow we get a little bit better movement. So I would need to put the chart trader on. Hey, so I can do it on this one. Okay, cool. So I could do. So I just put a buy order right there. I kind of like, now we're going to see. I'm evolving with you guys, right? I'm kind of like being able to put like an entry right at where the flag should be. And if we don't hit it, we don't hit. If we do, we do. Kind of like that. Probably a couple more minutes. I'm gonna jump off here. Your boy has to use the bathroom, not gonna lie.
Alex, I'm gonna work out.
Have a good workout, bro.
Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, I gotta do. I did shoulders yesterday. Today I gotta do chest.
Nice.
And then I'm gonna do. I split my legs in 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll do my quads one day and then my hams on another.
Okay.
Like 2 days apart from each other, so this way I can recover.
Yeah.
And then so today I'll probably do quads, and then on Thursday, no, where we at? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, like Wednesday or Thursday, I do hams.
Nice, bro.
I'll
Have a good one, Jonathan.
Look, we going up.
Yeah, I mean, I got an order up there. We're going to see if we get put in or not. I feel like BP just having orders out there. Just wait and see if we get put in.
If it crosses 50% of the 1 hour candle, I assume it's gonna go up.
Well, I'm getting ready to get put in here.
For it to go up, I want to see get past 715.
I did not get put in yet.
Where's your order at?
7-Eleven.
Oh, you're almost there. I think it's gonna go up, honestly.
Well, I've had that order up there just waiting.
Yeah, but you're like on fast forward though. You know? I guarantee it'll come. I'm almost positive it'll come.
Well, I kind of like this style of trade because I can just sit back and be like, what to do with my other time? It's either we get in or we don't. But that's where I'll be looking for the flag to push through. Oh, I almost got put in. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Not mad that I didn't put in because it's.
Yeah, you missed it by like 0.25.
That's crazy.
Oh, shit.
Here we go. I'm getting ready to get put in right here. We still got buying pressure. This market is so slow today. Here we go. Am I going to get put in? Close. We're getting closer and closer. We need some momentum, though. Dang. Still nothing. That is wild, dude. Beautiful snipe point. Okay. If the flag wants to pay us, it'll have to go through 7-Eleven to do so. I just got tagged in. But why did it not give me my brackets, though? That's weird. And why is it not showing me on this one? Oh, boy. Why is this not showing me? There we go.
You're in?
I'm in, but why is it not up here?
Oh, because... oh, no. You're probably not in... Oh, you are in. You are in. I was going to say because of the... What is that called? The fees. But you're in.
Yeah, baby. You need me? Oh, that was on a whole different... I'm so confused. How's that on a sim account? Your boy's tripping. Your boy is tripping. That's why. Let me put it on this account. 8-1. There we go. Now I got it. I didn't have the chart trader on this one, but it is what it is. One second. My girl needs me. Baby. Hello. Slightly annoyed I did not get that on the account I wanted because I forgot because I only execute my trades normally on the Renko. I had to put the actual same account I rotated on the 1 minute or the 2 minute chart just so that way everything's unison. So now if I enter down here, it'll show up here as well. But I'm not going to chase this because it did what I thought it was going to do. I expect us to maybe build another flag right up in this area. So let me put a buy up here. All right, cool. So now it's working on both charts. That last one on where I put the limit on the 2 minute, that was on a sim account, but my Renko's, that's my actual account. So It is what it is. I'm learning this as well. I did not get tagged in right there. There we go. I'm tagged in. But why is it not giving me my brackets for the ATM strategy though? Now I feel like it's only doing like one contract. Yeah, it's only one contract too. That's weird. Let me close that. So, I'm gonna keep messing around with this later on. Yeah, the ATM strategy's on, but it did not print with it, which is weird. And the last one I just did, right? It put me in only on with one. No, it should be on the screen. It should be on the screen. I don't know what does lightning, but activate. Yeah, it says it's activated, but it says active ATM strategy, so let's see if I get tagged back in. All right, now it's working. Oh, when you're in trade, if you grab your P&L, I think I got it now. Oh, I was just trying to see it, but okay. Just got tagged in again there. But I got it now. I know what I need to be clicking. I know what buttons to push. With that being said, folks, I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. I gotta go help my girl do something. I don't know what she needs help with, but I gotta go help her and then do some work. So I'll catch y'all tonight. Stay safe in the markets. And I'm excited to use some of the little tools I just learned today, tomorrow, live on the stream. So we're gonna have some fun. Have a good day, everybody. Moose. Legacy Market Makers. Love y'all. Have a great rest of your day. I will catch y'all later.
Steve, see you later. Kimona. G. Later. Ryan.
All right, boys. BP, have a good one. And everybody else, have a great rest of your day. Be blessed, everyone.